Now, you want to notify your team every single day in the morning. You want to wish them good morning. With that, you have to tell them you all can now continue with your task, and if you have any updates, you have to share it on your group. Just like this, you want to notify your team every single day as soon as the working hour starts. Now, sending this notification manually every day, any one person cannot just send this notification. It's a very time consuming task because you have to tell someone to do this, and they might have some mistakes. They might not post this notification on time. There can be multiple problems here. What if I tell you you can automate these notification sending every single day to your team? Yes, you can do that using the simple automation that I've created on the screen. It's super simple, very easy, and you do not require any coding and programming skills in order to create this connection using the amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. Now, without wasting any further time, let's dive into the creation of this automation. I've already created a workflow using Pabbly Connect. In order to access Pabbly Connect, search for pabbly.com/connect on a new tab, and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. If you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, you don't have to worry at all. Sign up for free from here, with the help of which you will get 100 free tasks every month. Now, using the task that you will receive, you can create this automation first to test out how this automation is going to work. Okay? Now, if you want to use Pabbly Connect and you want to create amazing automations and automate your business workflows, you can simply purchase our yearly or lifetime deal. Now, I have a secret gift for you. The coupon code that you can see on the left side of my screen, I've added the same code in the description section, with the help of which you will get instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime deals. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, use the code, purchase our plan, and automate your business workflows. Okay, you have to sign in, create the workflow, and you will come back to this page. We are going to set up our trigger first, in which for the trigger application, as I want to send this notification every single day at a particular time, I will select my trigger application as Schedule by Pabbly. And the event is going to be Schedule this workflow. Click on this Connect button. First, it is asking how often do you want to run your workflow. I want to run this every single day. And the timing that I want to run is 10 a.m. So let me select 10 a.m. right over here. Okay, I will select the time. Now every day at 10 a.m. this workflow is automatically going to run. Okay, I will save this step, and you can see right over here I have received this response every single day at 10 a.m. Asia Kolkata time zone. This workflow is going to be automatically executed. Okay, so now after setting up the schedule, now it will run automatically. What notification do I want to share? I want to wish my team good morning. Now for that, I manage the conversations with my team using Google Chats. If you want, you can use Microsoft Teams, Discord, Slack, or any other communication channel according to your requirement. You can add that and set up the configuration right here. Okay, I will add an action step, in which for the action application, I will select over here as Google Chat Hangout. Because using Google Chats, I manage the communication between me and my team members. Okay, and the event is going to be create custom card message. Okay, then I'm going to click on this connect button. Now we have to provide the chat webhook URL. With the help of this URL, we are going to send the notification. To have the URL, go towards this hyperlink where you will receive step-by-step guide of how you can have this chat webhook URL. This is the step that you have to follow. Okay, simply you have to open the Google Chat space. Now this is my Google Chat space. You can see right over here all team members. Now over here, to have the chat webhook URL, go towards this name and go towards this apps and integrations section. After coming to apps and integrations, click on this add webhook button right over here. Name of my webhook is going to be management team. Okay, so this is the name of my webhook, and for the avatar URL, you have to copy this URL that you have received in this help desk of Pabbly Connect and paste it over here in the field and click on this save button. Over here, you can see this is the URL, webhook URL. You have to copy this link, and this is the chat webhook URL right here. Okay. Now after that, we have to enter the header title, subtitle, and the text. I don't receive the header image URL, so I will skip this part. And as I'm not entering the header image URL, I don't want this image type also. Okay. So I will enter all the details right here that I require. So these are the required things. Header title is Good Morning Team. Header subtitle is Let's Stay Focused and Productive Today. I do not require the image URL. I've already told you. If you want, you can do that as well. Please review your assigned task for today and update the status before end of the day. If you're facing any blockers, inform the team immediately. Let's stay focused and productive. So this is the text that I want to share. There is no custom section, so I will skip the part. If you want that, you can definitely add that according to the reference right over here. Okay, now after that, format is going to be simple. I will click on this save and send test request button where I have received this response, which is a positive response. And over here in my Google chat space, if I'll go back, you can see I have received this notification again. Now I received this notification, good morning team, let's stay focused. You can see with the same message at this point because we have currently clicked on save and send test request. Okay, you can save it directly also, but I wanted to show you the positive response. That is why I've clicked on this notification, and this notification is shared at this point. But in actual real time, after creating up this automation right over here, every day at 10 a.m. this workflow is going to be automatically executed, and as it will be automatically executed, this message that you can see over here, the same exact card message, is going to be shared to your group like this on the channel. Okay, when at 10 a.m. according to the time that you have set up in the schedule by Pabbly step. Okay, you can set up the time according to your requirement. My working hours are 10 to 6. That is why I've selected 10 to 6 right over here. Okay, that is why I've selected 10 as the notification sending time right here. Now this is how you create this amazing automation. Did you see how simple it is? It's very simple to create this connection. You can now not only just good morning, you can notify anything according to your requirement. You can enter a different message. You can use the same workflow as a different use case. Not only Google Chat Hangout, you can use Microsoft Teams. You can add Slack, Discord, Telegram, any messaging platform. You can add that over here and create this amazing setup with the help of Pabbly Connect. Okay, if you have questions or doubts related to this workflow, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. With that, if you want this workflow that I've created in this video, the link of this workflow is added in the description section. The code with the help of which you will get instant discounts is also added in the description section below. Okay, so go and use that definitely. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.